Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. Today we are going to be in my living room. I am going to do a mini living room makeover. Finally, it begins to get warm in New York and I wanted to get ready for these hot summer days we have coming up to bring some coolness in the house. So I partner up with Decor, one of my favorite companies to work with. And I'm gonna show you the Twinkle Inventor Portable AC, the world's only one. You heard me, they are the only one that have this particular AC, and it works as a dehumidifier as well. You can find it on Amazon. The AC is 1200 BTU and can cool off any room up to a size of 450 square footage. Installation about this AC is super easy. It came with all the pieces that you are going to need to do the installation. Basically, it is pre-assembled. It even came with installation for the window to prevent the air from going out. Your window, your way. It came with several different pieces to fit the type of window that you have. Just like that, installation is done. Now we just have to put some insulation pieces to block the air from going out. Did you guys see how easy that was? No drilling, no screw on the wall. It is so satisfying watching the vent cover going up like that. These are all the function buttons of the AC and they are placed on top for easy access. I'm not gonna get to all of them because they are pretty self-explanatory, but I just want to show you guys the mode button. Right now it's on auto. I can press it to get cool air or press it to the dry to activate the dehumidifier, or press it again for the fan. Of course, it came with a remote control. This way, if I do not want to get up, I don't have to. The air coming out of the AC unit is always fresh because it has a removable filter that can be washed as well. With this AC, you don't have to worry about your energy bill. It is environment friendly and saves energy. So guys, if you want to stay cool during those hot summer days coming up, you gotta check out this wonderful AC from Decor. As I mentioned, you can get it from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link for the AC in the description box, along with the link for the Decor website. They have a lot of cool electronic things there. Please check it out. I am rearranging some of the furniture in the living room. I'm placing the sofa by the window. And then just for ideas for you guys, I'm gonna change the coffee table. My assistant for today is Mr. Ryan. Let's give it up for him, please. You know I love it when my children work with me. It's my greatest joy. I brought in my great chair that are in my family room. You guys gonna see them in a minute. Meanwhile, I brought in my side table / coffee table. I purchased this table from Wayfair. It is discontinued. As you can see, I also brought in my DIY mirror in the corner. I'm gonna start with this side table. There, I'm gonna have some books, my brand new lamp, and a marble length chain. Everything on this table is from Amazon. What do you guys think about my new lamp? On the other side of the sofa, I brought in my wing table that used to be in my bedroom. You can find it now on Amazon. Everything else is also from Amazon, including the vase and the branches. Guys, you're not gonna get individual links anymore. All of these products will be on my Amazon store under living room. The link for my Amazon store will be in the description box. But if you have trouble finding any product, please put a comment below. I'm using the curtains to cover the electrical cord of the lamp. The bowl is from Home Goods and the acrylic gems are from Amazon. Later on, I added a lift tray with some coasters. Which look do you guys prefer? On the big sofa, I'm having 2 sets of pillows. The first one are from Burlington. The smaller ones are from Amazon. I'm gonna take a moment to welcome all of you who are here for the first time. I upload Glam home decor, DIY, and cleaning videos. Please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell if you are into these things so you don't miss any videos as soon as I upload. And to all of you, my fellow Glam Squad, thanks so much for stopping by today. It's always good to see you here. Of course, we have to add a touch of glam. This one is from Home Sense. Because it's summertime, it's gonna be really warm. I did not want to use any of the big throw that I have in the house. I'm gonna be using a curtain as a throw just to add a little bit of style on the sofa, and I thought it was really nice, really cute, especially the fabric. Gonna be adding 2 pillows. They are from Burlington. To bring in some of the white that I have in the room, I'm gonna add this white throw from Home Goods. In the corner next to the AC, I added this plant from Michael's. The white marble chips are from Amazon. Do you guys remember what used to be in this corner? Let me see how well you guys know this room. Please put a comment below, let me know. The beautiful wall art is from Burlington. I have a pair, the other one is in the other corner. I really like them. I thought they are super beautiful and glam. This big wall, I added these 2 wall arts. They are from Home Goods and the lamp is from Amazon. On the coffee table, I'm gonna have these books. They are from Amazon. I thought they were so appropriate for summer and so beautiful. The first one say love never fails. Yeah, I know I love love. The second one say let life be beautiful like summer flowers. On the last book, it says, goodness is everywhere. There's nothing else inside the books. The pages are blank. On top of the books, I'm gonna have a white and gold vase from Home Goods, one of my favorite vases of all times, with some orchids. I love orchids because I think they are just perfect for summer and you can use them anytime. In my opinion, I think orchid speaks elegance and class and provide the kind of calmness that we are going to need when it gets really hot. The super stylish candle pillars are from Z Gallery. And the candles that I am using are from Home Goods. We are done. Let's see what everything looks like together. comment below. Let me know what you think about my living room mini makeover. What do you think about the gray chair? Do you like them here? Remember to check out the AC from Drio. The link will be in the description box. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend, a family member, to help me reach my goal of 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. If you have not subscribed, please do so right now. I look forward to seeing all of you on the next one. I love you always. Bye-bye.